After incorporating your private limited company, registering for goods and services tax is a crucial step for most businesses. Let's explore what GST registration involves and why it matters for your new company. What is GST registration? GST registration provides your business with a unique 15-digit goods and services tax identification number, GSTIN. This official identification enables your company to participate in India's unified tax system, collect GST, and claim input tax credits. When is GST registration mandatory? Your private limited company must register for GST when your annual turnover exceeds 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs for special category states. You conduct interstate sales or purchases. You sell through e-commerce platforms. You're involved in specific industries requiring mandatory registration. You plan to claim input tax credits. Benefits of GST registration. Obtaining your GSTIN provides multiple business advantages. Legal authority to collect GST from customers. Ability to claim input tax credits on purchases. Capacity to issue valid GST invoices. Enhanced credibility with customers and vendors. Seamless interstate business operations. Access to the GST ecosystem. The online registration process. Our service covers the complete online filing process. Preparation of GST application forms. Compilation of required documents. Online submission through the GST portal. Follow-up on application status. Assistance with any clarifications requested. Securing your final GSTIN certificate. Required documentation. For successful registration, you'll need PAN and Aadhaar of directors/promoters. Company incorporation certificate. Address proof of registered office. Bank account details. Photographs of authorized signatories. Digital signature certificate. Timelines and process. Once all documents are in place, application submission takes 1 to 2 business days. Government processing typically takes 3 to 7 working days. Verification may be conducted in some cases. Final GSTIN is issued upon approval. Registration becomes effective from the application date. How Setindiabiz can help. Our GST registration service includes expert preparation of all application documents, seamless online filing through the GST portal, real-time application tracking, resolution of any queries raised, complete guidance until GSTIN issuance. Note, our service covers online filing only. Don't delay this critical business compliance. Contact Setindiabiz today to ensure your GST registration is handled efficiently, allowing you to focus on growing your business.